I just wanted to make a short video here to help anybody else out who's bought the Action 4 Adventure Combo. As you get this battery hub in there, and initially I assumed wrongly, that you basically charge this via USB-C without the batteries in. I repeat, without the batteries in. And this was like a power bank, if you like, and then you put your 3 batteries in, go away in the field, and they'll be charging. That's what I assumed. However, that's not the case. Excuse the pun there. You basically put all 3 batteries in, charge this up via USB at home, and it's going to pick the lowest percentage battery first, charge that up first, and then move in sequence. I've not seen anybody talking about this on YouTube, so I thought I'd just do a quick tutorial just to help anybody out who's purchased the Action 4 Adventure Combo. So the amber lights there just indicate that the battery's lower than 50%, not depleted. It's just showing that there's a low charge in these two. And although that's green, it's not fully charged. The battery's at 75%. What would have been better here, DJI, would be some little LED screens. Maybe in the future DJI might redesign this, as these amber lights and green lights don't show exactly what percentage your battery's at. As I've said, these two aren't flat. They've just got less charging than this one. This one being at 75% and these two are below 50%. One thing I wouldn't do if I'm keeping this in storage would be to leave them with the terminals touching. As you can see down there, you've got your battery terminals. So I wouldn't recommend leaving this as the battery terminals are touching each other for a long period of time. The reason I say this is the Mavic Mini charging hub is a similar thing to this. So you just put your Mavic Mini batteries inside, charge them up. You take this out into the field, but with the battery terminals touching, as I've just explained, it would then start to discharge the batteries. So I don't know if they've fixed this issue with this, but I wouldn't want to try it, to be honest. I wouldn't want to charge all these, put them down like that, walk in for hours to find out a bit of juice has come out of my batteries. So if I'm going to be storing these, I'm going to make sure they're charged and they're all going to be going this way up so the battery terminals don't touch each other. The only drawback is it won't close. So you could just sit that down in your backpack. As long as nothing heavy is on top of there, you'll be good to go. So if you're in the field and you want to get some extra juice into your phone or your iPad or maybe your drone remotes, you just simply plug this into the USB-C to USB-C, which is most things nowadays. And you've got an external power bank as well. Great stuff. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.